Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for Trust Wallet. So it's pretty simple to sign up for Trust Wallet. Now before I show you guys how you guys can do it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can drop it down in the comment. I'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem. Now let's get on with today's video. Now to sign up into Trust Wallet, basically you want to download Trust Wallet from your Play Store or App Store, whichever phone you're using. For iPhone, it's App Store. For Android, it's Play Store. So just download Trust Wallet and then open Trust Wallet. After you open Trust Wallet, you want to click on Create a Wallet. If you already have a wallet, you can click on I already have a wallet. But if you don't, you want to click on Create a new wallet. Now after you're over here, you want to click on I have read and accept the terms and service. And then you want to click on Continue. Tick mark it, click and continue again. Now listen to me carefully. The words which is shown over here, you need to remember this and in alphabetical order. If you just forget one of these words or like misplace its placement, then you guys cannot get into your Trust Wallet account. Alright, so remember these words carefully. I would suggest it to take a screenshot or copy these texts and paste it somewhere that you don't forget it. Alright, it also shows it over here. Never share recovery phrase with anyone, store it securely. You lose this, you're done. You cannot recover your account and all the coins stored in your account will be lost. So just keep that in mind, store it very carefully and do not share it with anybody else. After you're done over here, you want to click on continue. And after you've entered your verification, code just in the alphabetical order, you want to click on done. You want to click on done again and you want to click on enable to turn on the notification, and basically you're done. You have signed up for a Trust Wallet. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.